Hi everybody, Philip Ruce at Stone Arch Law Office. Transfer on death deeds, yes or no? First, what is a transfer on death deed? A transfer on death deed, every state's a little different. Minnesota has them. And what it is you add a beneficiary designation to your house or to your other piece of real estate. Now, key with beneficiary designations is that they skip probate. That's why people like them. Probate is the administrative court proceeding where your assets are divided up. Someone's appointed to be in charge. It's not a trial, just an administrative court proceeding. But sometimes we want our house to skip that process and go directly to somebody. Now, if you're a joint owner on a piece of real estate, the joint owner gets it anyway. But after that person goes, then what happens? Well, it goes to probate if we don't do something. So what a transfer on death deed is great for is we can just name someone, an adult typically, or a trust, who can take this house and either hang on to it or sell it and use the money for the benefit of some beneficiaries, oftentimes young kids, etc. Or just give it to your adult children or give it to a non-relative, whoever you want the asset to go to, free of probate. They're great for very straightforward transfers. So I wouldn't want to do something like to my son, and if my son isn't around, then to my children, but only if they're over 18, and if they're not over 18, if we start creating some rules on there, transfer and death deeds don't work very well. It's mostly just give it to my adult kids and then hands off. At least in my opinion, that's what works best. Also, they're best if we only have a couple beneficiaries. Bear in mind, typically, if someone has real estate and wants to sell it, both them and their spouse have to sign off on that sale. So if you got 6 kids and you leave it to your 6 kids, well, potentially we got a 12 signature issue there, and I wouldn't typically recommend a transfer and death deed in that situation. So that's my thoughts on transfer and death deeds. Philip Ruce at Stone Arch Law Office.